Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, I am Arpita Mondal and I'm from West Bengal, a makeup artist and other things as well. So today's video is all about product unboxing and let's see how many good things we can get from all these products. So yeah, let's start. I have two brands to unbox. First is this Myglamm. So yes, Myglamm products. I'm gonna unbox Myglamm products. I have ordered I think two or three products. So let's see. Okay. I got a scratch card. These products. So I got a Lit Liquid Matte Lipstick. This one. And then I got another Lit Liquid Velvet Matte Lipstick. First one was Myglamm Lit Liquid Matte Lipstick. Second is Lit Liquid Velvet Matte Lipstick. And third one is Myglamm Lit Glossy Liquid Liner. So I'm just gonna start with my liner. Very much interested. 325. Okay, fine, no problem. Let's do a small review here now. Okay, so the wand is very thick, very much thick. I don't know how good it will be. Let's swatch it here. As I said, the wand is very thick. It's way too much thick. I don't know how I'm going to be able to do it. Okay, so you can actually create some small strokes as well. So you can create some small strokes. Let me just try a little bit. Not working very ideally, so okay, fine. Let's let it dry and then I will see if it's smudge proof or not. Till then, get in the box. It is very dark, that I will agree. Okay, now I'm going with the liquid matte. Nice color. So this is hot talkie. I don't know if I'm saying it in the right way or not, but it is kind of hot talkie color. Let's swatch it. It's very smooth. Oh, it's a pink. It's very a reddish pink type of a color. Gonna suit some brides. This is a pinkish red type of a tone. It's looking good and feels very smooth as well. The price is $375 for 1.6 ml of products. It dried down. Okay, so let's try the Lit Liquid Matte. Okay, the packaging looks very good and the name for this one is It Gap. or IDGAF, I would say it gaf. Let's see the color. Very tight of nice. Feels very red, but let's see. The color looks good. It definitely does looks awesome. This one doesn't feel dry. I had some lip balms on, so it's not bad. Let's remove this one so that I can try that again. So I'm going to use Earth Rhythms makeup wipes and Mom's Coast toner. This one. So this is my first time I'm trying this one. I did get it gaf one. Some reds, you can definitely get this. Eyebrows in the color looks very good, and yeah, I can't say anything else. This definitely is 375 as well. Same price. This is plum goodness. So the plum review or unboxing is a big haul, so stay tuned to the channel, and the plum review and unboxing will be coming on next part or second part. Till then, stay tuned to the channel, a like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to comment all about what do you want to check or what do you want to see on my channel, and if you're liking the content I'm producing. Till then, ta-ta, have fun.